Hey guys and gals, what's going on? It's your girl Shareen Nicole, and yes, I'm back with another video of a little bit of everything. So in this video, it's going to be a little bit different. I had someone I know pass away, so I just need a moment and a moment of silence. But I am going to just do this quick review of this beauty box that I wanted to show you guys. It's been a while because I moved and I had to find stuff and figure out where stuff was. So this box came in. Now I'm going to open this and see what's inside. So it seems to me that they're saying this box here is another spring beauty box. Now if you guys check out my last haul, my Walmart box, I'll leave a link somewhere up above. It said spring as well, so I'm not understanding. There is 4 seasons and I'm still on spring. So so in this box I have gotten another toothbrush. I just opened this box, guys, took it right out the wrapper. I'm going to show you that this is actually broken, so I don't know what's going on there. Let's see what else I got. I have a Degree Dry Spray Ultra Clear Black and White. So it's a little mini. That's kind of cute. You know, travel size, take it with you. And yes, guys, I will be coming on here and doing a full face review on the products, because in the last Walmart box, I got some face products along with the other toothbrush and the toothpaste, which I got again, guys. Hello. So this Hello, maybe it's a different flavor, so we'll try that out. And last but not least, they gave me a hydrating toner. It's alcohol free with rose water, and it's daily use. It's by Dixon's Enhanced Witch Hazel. So I'll show you guys that. And you guys can see that right there. So, yep, I'll be trying all these items on my face. This is pretty much, oh, no, it's not pretty much what I got. I do have, excuse me, a Natural Vitality Calm and Magnesium Supplement. So, raspberry lemon flavor. So, I can be calm. I might try this tonight. So, that pretty much concludes this box. It did come with a Dixon's paper, probably explaining the benefits of using this product. You have Pure Power, Pure Radiance, and Pure You. I won't go into the details. And then available at Walmart is the Calm. So that is the De-Stress. I believe I got this in my other box as well. And that pretty much wraps everything up, guys. So I want to thank you for joining me on this Walmart haul, I guess you can call it, a Walmart review of what I got for my second spring edition, because I wasn't aware that there was 2 springs, but we're gonna let that rock. And thank you for joining me, guys. I really appreciate you. If you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe. I'll leave the links down below. Also, you know, if you are subscribed, thank you. Thank you. I appreciate you, and take care, and God bless.